Today, we are dismantling a Bailey bridge, but before we take it apart, we first need to safely remove it from the river. This is very important because working inside water is risky and difficult. So the goal is simple: bring the bridge back onto dry land before dismantling it. A Bailey bridge is made of steel and is very heavy. If we try to pull it directly without preparation, it can become unstable or even collapse. So instead of forcing it, we control how the bridge behaves, and that starts with something called creating an unbalanced condition. To safely pull the bridge, we make one side lighter than the other. We do this by 1. Removing some of the steel members on one side, and 2. Also removing part of the bridge deck. This reduces weight on that side of the bridge. Why is this important? Because when one side is lighter, the bridge naturally tends to move in that direction. So instead of fighting the structure, we guide it. This step helps us control the movement of the bridge. Without this, the bridge could move unpredictably, get stuck halfway, or even twist and become dangerous. By carefully removing parts, we are not weakening the bridge randomly, we are controlling how it behaves. Next, we prepare the path for the bridge to move. We place steel rails under both ends of the bridge at the abutments. These rails act like tracks. They reduce friction and allow the bridge to slide smoothly. Think of it like moving a heavy object on rollers instead of dragging it on the ground. Now comes the main operation. Using an excavator, we begin to pull the bridge slowly towards the land. This is done gradually, not suddenly, because sudden movement can cause damage or loss of control. As the excavator pulls, the bridge slides along the rails. The lighter side helps guides the direction, and the entire structure moves safely out of the river. Everything is done step by step with close monitoring. Safety is very important during this operation. Workers ensure that the bridge remains stable at all times, the pulling force is controlled, and no one stands in dangerous areas. This is not about speed, it's about precision and control. Once the bridge is fully on land, the hard part is over. Now dismantling becomes much easier and safer. The bridge is taken apart piece by piece. All materials can then be reused, transported, or stored properly. And that's how a Bailey bridge is safely removed from a river before dismantling. It is all about planning, control, and working step by step. If you think dismantling a bridge is just breaking it apart, think again. First, we have to move the entire bridge out of the river safely. Now, watch how the bridge is gradually pulled onto land. Slow, steady, and fully controlled. I will let you enjoy the rest of the process. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe for more easy to understand construction content.